What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually going to be building a drag truck, but also tell me what you guys think of my new intro. My buddy Colin Furnace made it for me. Go check out his YouTube channel. But let's hop right into this build. So we're going to go ahead and I don't know what truck I want to use yet. Probably use this one. We'll go with red, it's fine. Alright. I don't want this thing to be like too low, but I do want to lower it just a tad bit. Yeah, that seems about good. Put the axles out just a little bit. Throw some black with red. Yeah, that looks fun. Red there, black there. Yeah, that looks good. Now I think I need to mess with the color of this truck a little bit. Maybe like that. That looks good. Alright, let's go ahead and throw that on there. We'll do a hood stack, because why not? Now we will go to the dyno run. We'll see what it does without a tune, and then we'll throw a tune on there and see how it does after that. So around 570. So I'm going to get this. Now we'll see what it runs. 705, not bad. So now what I'm going to do is throw that tent up a little bit. There we go. And now we are going to throw some slicks on here and see how it does. So let's just hop over into the stunt park. I don't know if I want to make this one diesel or not. I might end up making it diesel in the future. But go ahead and get up on the wall. We'll see what speed we hit whenever we hit the other wall. Back it up. Alright. 3, 2, 1, go. 50, 60, 70, 80, 100. It's not like the fastest build that I could make, but I don't want it to be like a crazy build. So I hit around 151 before I get close to the wall. But I wonder what it would be like if I actually added diesel to this thing. But thank you guys so much for 570 subscribers. That's really crazy to think about. But this is a cool little truck that I just made. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little video of my new little drag truck. I might be going live today, so make sure to stay tuned for that. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace!